Okay, guys, so let's go through other application that they have here, other demo. Let me check this. Okay, let's go to the website that they have here. Wow, this is a bank script, and this is beautiful, guys. This is a bank script here. Make online banking easier and comfortable. Wow, I like this. Well structured and very, very clean. The site is clean and beautiful, man. Original banking services, investment planning, support and security, loan and saving, tax consulting. Okay, I like this. This is more like a bank site. Yeah. Okay, there are mobile version of it. Okay, wow, this is good. Guys, let me know what you think about this website. This is a bank script. If you need the bank script, contact them and they deliver it to you. This is very, very beautiful. I bet you, if you have this script, man, you know what you can do with it. Yeah, let's go to the pages. Let's see. Good. Everything is well structured. Which is good. Businesses, set up business. Okay, this is a dynamic application. Yeah, you can see every section have a different design. I like this. I like this. Personal banking. See it, every page have a different design. I like this. Then say contacts. Okay, here's a contact page here. That's good. Let's check the login, account login. Oh, this script is an advanced script. I bet you guys an advanced script. Okay, let's go back to the site. Let's check. Okay, this account open, and you can even see it has language embedded into it. You can see it. Language embedded into it. You can translate every content in this page to any language. You see it. Let me show you. Let me show you one more time. Let me show you. Okay, let's choose any language here. Let me look for any language I choose and see how I work. Igbo. Okay, let's check this. You see, everything change. You see it, everything change. You can see it. Everything change. You see it. Everything change. I like this. So let's cancel the translation. If you need this script, just contact VApps and VApps will deliver it to you. Okay. It's a very beautiful site. And I believe it's going to do great thing for you when you have this kind of scripts to run your business. Yes. Okay, guys, let's go to the other section. Let's check other application that they have. Oh, let's check the admin. Okay, this is the admin. And this is the login details for the admin. And this is the password. Okay, it's logging in. You see, they make it available free. Just go log in, check it out. You see the way it look like. If you like it, contact them. And if you want them to modify it, add something to it, contact them, let them know, and they'll do it for you. In any way that you want it, any format you want it, they are ready to do it for you. Okay. This is the admin section where you control everything. This is user account. You have a pending account, you have a transaction, all transaction that was done, you can see everything here. Okay, you can credit and debit. You see, you can credit and debit, everything is here. You see, you credit and debit. Okay, you can see debit or credit, the amount you want to put, this current and balance, the amount you want to use, put it here. I think everything is okay, which is cool. So that's it, guys. I want to show you. So to the case you need any script for your business, you don't need to worry yourself. Contact these people and they'll deliver it for you. Okay, so let's log out. Good.